Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Staff of Perplex, an immortal weapon for Rubick in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open Dota 2 on your computer, and then on the top of your screen, you'll see an option called Armory. Click on it, and under the filter hero list, type Rubick. And then go to Weapon. Search for the Staff of Perplex. As you can see, here it is, and I already own it, so there's no green button right here. But if you don't, there will be a green button stating the price of the item. Just click on it and then follow through with the transaction. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!